What's good, YouTube? How y'all doing? First off, y'all already know we doing good over here. Today is my day off, so if y'all see my last video, I unboxed a vintage Tamiya FF01. It's supposed to be on the shelf, but you know what I'm saying, you know how that go. I at least got to spin it around the block one time. You know what I'm saying? I got to take it around the block once or twice. That's it. So I got myself. Show. I appreciate y'all. Remember, it's always free to support the channel. Like, share, subscribe. I got more content coming. I got more hot. I got a dope video coming up soon. I'm gonna try and post it up next. So y'all stay with me. Check me out. Y'all already know what time it is. Please feel free, like, share, subscribe. I just built me a little $30 little trailer right here. I pulled my red cat out. I had to gear it properly so it will pull this trailer. So let's go ahead and spin around the block and unload her. So I just got done driving that FF01. It was lovely. It was definitely appealing to my eyes, but it was extremely slow. I had a great time driving it. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna put any hop-ups or anything on it. I may just throw some bangs on it just so it runs a little bit smoother and quieter, and check the meshing of the gears. That's it. I appreciate y'all checking out my video. Like, share, subscribe. Y'all already know that I'm coming back with more hot stuff like what I got right now. My boy Jose's build. Make sure y'all check it out. Later.